If you are a service provider looking to update an existing platform or introduce a new one, there is much to consider. Say, for example, you want to introduce a virtual, distributed service delivery platform for business. The platform needs to be reliable enough to meet service level agreements, flexible enough to offer the services when they are needed, and on top of it all, the service must be cost effective. You may also decide you need to deploy different solutions from different vendors for different customers. How do you ensure all of the components work together the way they need to? Building solutions that start with open source code and follow open standards is a critical step toward interoperability. But open source and standards by themselves do not guarantee the pieces will fit together and work properly, particularly in multi-component, multi-vendor configurations. In fact, open source solutions that have not been validated generally take longer and cost service providers more to implement. This is because interfaces are often not fully defined in standards documents, and in many cases, comprehensive test frameworks are not yet available. And since we are talking about software, there are dependencies on drivers, kernels, and more. Plus, just getting the pieces to work isn't enough. To be commercially viable, those pieces need to be optimized in order to leverage the other elements in the solution. Validated end-to-end solutions give a service provider the confidence to adopt multi-vendor implementations, which is why we built the Titanium Cloud ecosystem. With the Titanium Cloud ecosystem, Wind River collaborates with industry-leading hardware and software companies to ensure the availability of interoperable standard products optimized for deployment with the Wind River Titanium Cloud portfolio of products. The Titanium Cloud ecosystem involves an in-depth engineering collaboration to validate compatibility and interoperability. Along with ensuring the respective pieces work together, we also perform VNF performance optimization to get the most out of every component. Activities include creating comprehensive test plans and validation reports, with the validation work performed either at the partner's facilities or at Wind River's partner lab. We've worked with the leading vendors to provide solutions such as virtual routers, virtual SBC, EPC, small cell gateway, virtual business CPE, and Cloud RAN. These solutions are key components to a mobile network. You can select these products for your NFV deployment with the confidence that they have been pre-integrated and validated with Titanium Cloud. They are available now for deployment in live networks, providing you with a proven end-to-end solution that spans multiple layers within the overall NFV architecture. Start with the Titanium Cloud ecosystem to accelerate your time to market and shorten your schedule as you deploy end-to-end infrastructure.